Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about organizing your life, your work, and your money. In today's video, we are going to be setting up my planner for a new month and kicking off a new organization series for the month of April. This month, we are diving into creating systems around the different areas of your life that you want to organize. So I'm going to be sharing how I create systems around my schedule, around my meals, around my money, my home, and my business. Every single Monday, I will host a live class. Every Friday, you're going to get a new video. And if you are a member of the Organize You, every single Thursday, you will receive another class, and we're also going to do a podcast this month. I'm so excited about this series because I feel as though many people want to get started getting organized, but they don't really know where to start. So I'm really hoping that these videos will help them get inspired and get started on their organizational journey. So I set up my planner the last week of the month, and it is broken down by multiple days. The very first day, which is today, I'm going to be setting up my catch-all planner, my business planner, and my personal planner. So I've decided to do this process at my office. Every now and then I like to get out the house and have a change of scenery. And so I have just made my coffee, made my water, and now I am just packing my bag and getting ready to head over there. Hey, it's editing Alaina here, and unfortunately I lost the footage of me setting up my monthly goals page and the monthly page to my catch-all planner. So I wanted to do a little interruption here and walk you through exactly what I am using my monthly goal page for and my monthly calendar for the month of April. So within my catch-all planner, this is the very first page that you see when I open it up. I do have my monthly goals page. With my monthly goals, I have broken it down into 5 sections. I have spiritual goals, my relational goals, which are all of my goals for my relationships, what I want to do with my family, what I want to do with my husband, any home ideas that I have in here that's going to make our home better or improve our home. They all go within this section under my relational goals. My mental goals are what I am reading and my personal development, my physical goals for what I want to do for my overall health, and my financial goals. So these are the 5 goals that I keep within my catch-all planner. So I wanted to walk you through how I was currently using it. Now, this is the first time that I've set this up this particular way, and I have the goals that I want to achieve at the very top, and then I will have my actual here. So at the end of the month, I'm going to write down what I actually did. Did I actually accomplish the different things that I want to accomplish? I'm just going to write down that there so that I can track my overall progress. On my monthly page, I am using this spread to keep up with everything that is going on in my business, personal life, and I am keeping it all on this one calendar. At one point, I was keeping my business appointments and personal appointments separate. I decided that I should not do that, mainly because I was double booking myself, so I needed to see everything in one spot. So that's what my catch-all planner does for me. This is the monthly spread. I'm going to write down all of my appointments, all of the meetings, all of the events that I have, no matter if they are personal or business, to make sure that I can stay on top of them all. I did use some stickers from Erin Condren. These are the monthly stickers that they have, and I have on my sidebar what's coming up next. This is all of the events that are coming up in the next month, in the month of April. I have listed out all of the other events on my actual spread, and then I have some recurring things that I have listed out here as well. So this is how I am using the monthly spread within my catch-all planner. I just wanted to walk you through how I am using my goal page and how I'm using my monthly page, since I did not catch the footage of that page. So where the footage is about to start off next is on my weekly spread, and I will walk you through how I am using my weekly spread and how I am setting it up for this next upcoming week. So my catch-all planner is the overview of all of the areas of my life. I will organize my weekly spread by breaking it down by the hour, and this is the main planner where I can look so I can know where I'm supposed to be or what I'm supposed to be doing throughout the course of my day. I will highlight the main things that need to happen throughout my day by using boxes. So lately I have been using a lot of sticker kits. If I don't have a sticker kit, then I will also use some happy planner stickers in order to still be able to highlight the different things that I need to see and make sure that they stand out, because I will write a lot of different things in this planner. So having boxes or having a way to make sure that my eyes can catch the important task is very important to me. And so that's why I use the boxes throughout the week. So I do like to keep the same type of things in the same place so that I know I have a pattern to where how my planner kind of works for me, and I'm not like looking for information. I will use my top bar to really keep track of the main tasks that I have coming up for the day, and I also still use my sidebar to keep up with everything that's coming up in the very next week. So always having the things on the sidebar for what's coming up on the next week, and always having my top task at the very top does help me to know exactly where to look every single time I set up my planner. And once again, this planner serves as an overview. So I don't keep a lot of the details of tasks. I don't keep the breakdown of the different things that I need to do, because those go within my personal planner and my business planner. This planner just gives me an overview of what's happening for the day. So after I have finished my catch-all planner, the next planner that I need to set up is my business planner. On my monthly page for my business planner, I break down the things that I need to do in different areas of my business. These areas are Instagram, what I'm doing for my membership, YouTube, emails, products, and what's coming up for the next month. So I like to write down like 2 or 3 things that I know I need to do in each one of these areas. This helps me to make sure that I keep all of these areas in the front of my mind, because if you're operating a business, it's really easy to get consumed with one area and kind of forget about the others. So having this page helps me to stay on top of them all. And with my business calendar, the monthly calendar that I have within the business section of my planner, I do not use this for any events or any appointments or anything that's coming up. All of that lives still within my catch-all planner, because like I said, when I was keeping it in multiple places, I felt like it was very redundant and I was double booking myself. So now I only use my monthly business spread in order to keep up with what's coming up on social media or what classes I need to teach for my members. So this spread is a very, very simple spread. As you can see, I am only using just some header stickers to let myself know if it is a YouTube class that I am about to teach or if it is a membership class that I need to teach. And that is it. I'm going to keep it very simple because I need to write a lot within this particular section of my planner. This section also gets a lot of whiteout because I change my mind a lot when it comes to the content that I am going to put out. Now, I shouldn't be changing it too much, because once we're in a series, then I usually will stick to the series, but sometimes I will change what video is going to come out at what particular time. But I still love to have an overview of everything that's coming out on this particular spread. Next up is the weekly spread within my business planner. For this spread, I go into more details about the different things that I need to do within my business. So in my catch-all planner, like I said, it's an overview, and so I will just highlight the random things that I need to do, but it's on a top level type of look. So I will add something like film within my catch-all planner. But within my business planner, this is where I will break down what I need to film, where I need to keep track of what I edit. Did I upload? Do I need to post additional videos? Are there cards or different things that I need to add to a video, or even more? So this is where I am breaking down even further the things that I need to do if I shared a video, and make sure that I have completed all of the business tasks and I'm not forgetting anything. So that is how I use this particular section of my planner, and it helps me to stay on top of all of the little things that I may lose track of or forget if I did not have this section in my planner. So now it is time to move on to the personal section of my planner. And on my monthly planning page, this is where I'm keeping up of all of the things that I want to do within my personal life. So keeping track of things like family day, or when we're going to do date night, what book I am reading this month, what is my overall health things that I need to accomplish, and my home organization and what's coming up in the very next month. That is how I use this particular section, and it kind of, once again, just kind of keeps those things in the front of my mind so that I don't lose track and don't forget them. Now we are on my personal planner monthly calendar, and this is where I will highlight a few events that are coming up throughout the month, but I mainly use this particular calendar to keep track of our meal planning. I used to meal plan for the entire month, but it just doesn't work out for my family. We never want to eat what's on the plan. So now I just realize that it's just too far ahead, and I will only plan what's coming up for the very next week. That way we are still flexible. And so as you can see, I'm only going to be writing in this one as we go along. I don't have much to put on here right now because I plan on a Sunday what we're going to eat for the very next week. The next spread is my weekly spread within my personal planner. Now this is one that I will usually set up at the beginning of the week, but I'm only going to write in it on a daily basis because I'm keeping up with the different things that are happening within my personal life. So the very top bar, I am keeping up with all of my workouts. So after I have completed a workout, I will basically write down what type of workout I have completed and how I feel overall about that workout. Within the second section, I'm keeping track of what I have eaten throughout the day. So this is breakfast, lunch, and dinner on every single day. So once again, I'm only writing it after the day has been completed. And then the last section is where I am writing out other things, like if I have things that we need to do with the kids, or we need to order groceries, or other personal things that come up, that goes into the last section. And this is how I am setting up my entire month. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do an entire flip through so that you can see how each one of these sections came out. But I really do love using my planner this way because I'm able to break down the details in other sections of my planner, and I still have my catch-all where I am able to really see an overview of every single thing that I need to do. So let's do a quick flip through of all of the planners that I have currently set up. We have my catch-all planner. This is where I keep my schedule, my monthly overview of all of my goals. Then we have the monthly calendar where I'm keeping track of all of the places I need to be and appointments. And then we have the weekly spread of my catch-all planner, which is an overview of everything that I need to do throughout the course of my day. The very next section is the business section, and the overview is all of the different areas of my business that I need to make sure that I'm staying on top of. For my monthly spread, we have my social media calendar, and then the weekly spread is a breakdown of all of the different tasks that I need to complete within my business throughout the week. And then the next section and the last section that we have completed today, it is the monthly plan, which is all of the different areas that I need to make sure that I stay on top of in my personal life. And then We have the monthly calendar, and like I said, this is where I am keeping up with what we are eating throughout the course of the month. So I will just jot down what we're planning on eating for the month. And then we have my weekly spread where I am keeping track of my workouts, what I'm eating, and the different other things that come up in my personal life with the kids or with us that we need to complete. That all happens at the bottom here. And this is how I set up and get prepared for a brand new month in my personal planner, in my business planner, and in my schedule planner. Now, I hope that this video has helped you really get an idea of how you could possibly organize your planner in order to start setting up those systems. This is the system that I use for my schedule, business, and my personal, and it really does help me to stay on top of all of these different areas and the different things that I need to do. So hopefully this inspires you and help you to get started with your own system. And this entire month, we're going to be talking about getting organized and different systems that you can use in order to help you get organized. So I will see you in Monday's live class at 4 p.m. Central. And if you're interested in becoming a part of the Organize You and going a little bit deeper within the effective systems that we're going to be talking about this month, I will leave the link to the Organize You in the description box. I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.